Welcome back, Royals. We are moving right along with our Fire and Desire series. I kicked it off with this beautiful Fire and Desire tablescape with a collab from the Dream Team, and it was absolutely gorgeous. To tie in with, guys, I came in with this beautiful, over-the-top, royal and romantic Valentine's tree to flow beautifully with the overall look and feel of the theme at hand. Now, moving on along with the design, it's only fitting that I come to you with something that will continue on with the flow. But guys, I'm excited to announce that to kick off the next part, I am teaming up with my beautiful sister Tangie Webb of Home Decor DIY and more with Tangie Webb. If you don't know who she is, honey, Tangie is a beautiful, vibrant queen of YouTube with a personality and design style to match. So, to come together, guys, we decided to bring you some entryway styling inspiration. And so here I am sharing with you the space that I'll be styling up to tie in with my Fire and Desire series. It is my entryway area. And this is what the space looked like for my winter styling. But to switch it up a bit, I wanted to bring in something new and different. First thing, guys, I swapped out the mirror for a beautiful abstract glitter art piece I picked up from Ross. So we're going to jump right into the style. And I just want to shop my home, pull a few things just to get a little bit of inspiration for this area. It is important that your entryway sets the tone for the way the rest of your home will flow. So to start, I wanted to give you something that was true and indicative of the Valentine's season. When you hear the word Valentine's, the first color that comes to mind is obviously a vibrant, sexy, romantic red. So I wanted to give you a look with that inspiration or that color theme in mind. So this, you guys, is look number 1. I pulled the centerpiece from my dining area just to bring in a little bit of the red and black over to the space and to give you a feel for how this color scheme will look together. I love it. Everything is beautiful, guys. The candlesticks are from a Facebook Marketplace find. Candles on top are from Michael's After Season, of course. The heart is from Burlington. Roses from a local florist shop set on top of a gold cake stand nestled in a glass trinket box. And I think this look is beautiful and romantic. It definitely flows with the rest of my space. But being the true royal stylist that I am, I didn't want to just give you one look, guys. I'm going to bring you many. So how about this over the top, dramatic, unexpected Valentine look? Guys, I'm calling this one Exotica because that is exactly what I feel when I look at this design. These beautiful pampas grass picks were from Amazon. I absolutely love them in a dramatic black. To anchor them, I have some gold candlesticks. On top, I have some black kissing balls, and they just bring in that exotic yet romantic look and feel into this space. Totally unexpected, but gives you that Valentine's vibe. Finish out the looks, I added a bouquet and the velvet box from Rose Forever. Those are real roses, guys. I absolutely love that. And to the left, I have some coffee table books. And on top, I have a pearled chest or trinket box that houses our keys. This space has to be beautiful and functional. And to tie in with the pearls on the trinket box, I nestled the tie back from K Gorge, and it finishes off the look perfectly. So this is look number 2. Moving on to look number 3, guys. This is for those asymmetrical lovers. If you're not a symmetrical girl like me, I wanted to bring in something different just to switch it up a little bit. So I brought in elements from look number 1 and look number 2 and added to the look a gold lamp just to balance out the gold from the vase. I love this look. It's romantic, it's asymmetrical, and it definitely screams Valentine's. Again, guys, I just shopped my home to create different looks. So I've given you 3 looks and haven't spent one single dime. After all, that is the royal way of styling. Guys, I love to ball on a budget, and season after season, I want to create different ways to show you how you can do the same. Moving on now to look number 4. Now this speaks to that symmetrical girl in me. I brought back in the lamps, that dramatic centerpiece, front and center, bring it in the trinket box because that's the functionality of it all, and nestle the beautiful red roses just to tie in the entire look and feel of the Valentine's flow. I wanted that pop of red to flow throughout the entire space. So guys, I've given you 4 different looks, shopped my home, and had fun in the process. So guys, I want to invite you to now click the link in my description box. Go over to Tangie's channel. If you're new to her, let her know that I sent you. Show her some love because I know she is going to bring it. She is also doing a 5 days of red Valentine's series, guys, and you are going to thoroughly enjoy it. But before you do, let me give you a recap of all the looks that I created for you. Look number 1, my funny Valentine. Simple, elegant, yet screams Valentine romance. Look number 2, classy elegance. Guys, this one is probably my fave, but I'll let you decide which one you like. Look number 3, off-centered glam. I love this look. It's a bit out of my comfort zone because I'm a symmetrical girl at heart, but that's the 3rd look, and I want you to decide which one you like. And then you guys, look number 4, exotica. It is over the top, it is unexpected, and it is definitely royal and romantic. All right, guys, those are the looks that I have for you guys. I want you to leave me a comment. Let me know which one that you liked the most. If this is your first time visiting, you coming from Tangie's channel, welcome to Royalty Designs. I want to invite you to hit that subscribe button and join the royal family. As you can see, we are full of inspiration, motivation, and so much creativity. And I would love to have you guys come along for this royal journey with me. To my tried and trues and my brand new boos, you guys know that I so love and appreciate you. Thank you all for your continued support. I want to invite you all to join me on my other social media platforms. I can be found at Royalty Designs on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. Also, guys, I have an Amazon store that's linked in my description box, and you too can get your hand on some of these beautiful pieces that I've styled with for you today. Until the next one, stay safe, remain royal, and have a blessed and beautiful day.